Good morning, first grade. Welcome to your science lesson. As you know, we were finishing up our lesson on matter, and we know there are three states of matter. They are solid, liquid, and gas. We're going to review the characteristics of each one quickly because you do have a test on this tomorrow, which we will walk you through. But let's review that a solid can't be weighed, it takes up space, it keeps its shape, and it keeps its size, just like this bar of soap here. All right, then we talked about a liquid. A liquid can be weighed, it takes up space, it keeps its size if it's poured in the bottle like this liquid soap, but it can change its shape in case it was poured into a different kind of bottle. Then a gas can be weighed, takes up space, it can change its size, and it can change its shape. Just like with our bubbles we talked about, where there might be different sizes of bubbles. And I know if you were here, you'd love to be popping these. Maybe you can get your own jar of bubbles at home and play with these this afternoon. And we're going to read up just our last couple of pages on our science lessons. We are on page 92 and 93 today. It is called Parts of Things. All objects are made of matter. Most objects are made up of different parts. The parts of matter are matter too. Different parts may have different jobs, but all the parts are needed for the object to work. Some objects only have a few parts, like the kite you made, the beautiful kites that are in our classroom. You can take the kite apart. You can look at each of the parts. Then you can put the kite back together. The kite parts go together to make a kite. A car is an object with many parts. It has a frame and wheels. It has an engine. The engine uses fuel or gas. And each of these parts are important for a car. If a part is missing, the car will not run. So like this little example here, I'll bring it closer for you to see. You can see this one is broken. Is it going to run very well? No, because it is broken. It's missing its wheels. So until we put it back together, it's not going to run very well. So all parts of matter work together. And we will have a little test tomorrow. And tomorrow there will be a quiz online. Mrs. Davison made this according to the quiz we would have been taking on paper, so it will be multiple choice, and at the end you will need to draw a picture as Mrs. Olson usually asks you to do. And just reviewing what I would like you to do on the paper. I want you to draw all three states of matter, and like our example, I'll bring it closer, that remember the fountain was water, that was a liquid. The hot air balloon had gas, and then you see the solids down here, the grass and the benches and the people. So I would like you to draw your own picture, including all three states of matter, again, which are, say with me, I can hear you at home, that's right, solid, liquid, and gas. So we'll be in touch with you. Text if you have any questions. Goodbye.